Hi friends, this is Apple Watch Nike Plus edition in space gray. As you can see, this is 44 space gray aluminum case black Nike Sport Loop, and this is GPS plus cellular version, as you can see here. So let's open it. Okay, Hey Krishna. Oh, beautiful. And let's see what it has inside. Okay, we are open from here, right? Wow, beautiful. This is having a watch and a sport loop, and this is said reflective threaded sport loop. Beautiful. This is the black one, and this is the watch. Very nice packing, beautifully designed. So let's open it. Oh, beautiful. Wow. This is a 44 watch. The important thing in this is that you can see here the model number is A2008, and what it means that this A2008 model and A2007 model can run in India if you are buying GPS and cellular versions. If you are taking the watches from US and Canada that have, I think, A 1975 and 1976 versions or the models, and that won't going to work in India as far as the cellular capacity is concerned. So this is the watch. Let's try to take it out. Beautiful. Beautiful. And you know, rest of the things that in this packet we can have some documents. Nobody reads this. This is a charger, I guess. This is a big charger. I thought it has a 5-volt charger. Let's see. And this is the magnetic charging cable with it. That's it. So this is the watch. Let's open it if possible. Oh, it started. It's opened right now. You can see aluminum 44 This is the first boot of this watch. Beautiful. Beautiful. We'll set it up later. And what's in this? Okay. And this is a reflective loops, what they call. You can see some of the reflection when the light is coming and going on this band. So that is nice. So let's see it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.